Hi everybody, my name is JJ Soto and this is my brother Leo Soto. We are the people in charge to do all the 3D mapping and data collection for this land. We're going to be using multiple technologies like drones and 3D laser scanning. The process is going to be kind of simple. Find locations, a perfect spot where we can fly, and we're going to be creating with multiple software a couple small grids, and we can, with this way, we can move around and cover the maximum space on the island. And next, we use the 3D laser scanning to do the detail for the structures. In this case, we're planning to maybe find all pirate ruins or old homes where we can documentate. So we're going to capture high definition pictures so we can create a full diagram or big panoramic picture where we later can do surface, and we can do, for example, we can check the health of the trees, where it's dry, and all this information. There's a bunch of information you're capturing with.